What if I told you that Einstein failed his college entrance exam, or that Darwin was considered an average student? Here's the thing. High IQ doesn't always look like straight A's and perfect behavior. In fact, the signs are often completely counterintuitive. Now, before we dive in, let's clear something up. Research from the University of Edinburgh shows that about 50% of intelligence is genetic. But here's the exciting part. The other half, completely within your control. Your habits, your environment, your curiosity. These literally reshape your brain through neuroplasticity. Sign 1. Relentless questioning. High IQ students don't just accept answers, they dissect them. A study in the Journal of Educational Psychology found that students who ask why and how questions score significantly higher on reasoning tests. Think about young Elon Musk, who reportedly read the entire Encyclopedia Britannica because one answer always led to another question. Sign 2. Productive daydreaming. Sounds contradictory, right? But research from Georgia Tech found that people who daydream more actually have more efficient brains. Their minds wander because they process information faster. Isaac Newton reportedly discovered gravity while lazily watching an apple fall. Sometimes, the wandering mind finds the greatest destinations. Sign 3. Rapid adaptability. High IQ individuals don't just learn, they unlearn and relearn. According to psychologist Robert Sternberg, this practical intelligence is what separates book smart from truly intelligent. They pivot strategies mid-problem without ego getting in the way. By the way, if you're finding these insights useful, a quick like helps more people discover NeuroBites. Just saying. Sign 4. Pattern obsession. High IQ students see connections everywhere, in music, in math, in seemingly random events. This is called transfer learning, and it's why chess grandmasters often excel in completely unrelated fields. Their brains are constantly building invisible bridges between ideas. Sign 5. Selective effort. Here's a controversial one. High IQ students often appear lazy in subjects that don't interest them. But watch them lock onto something they care about, they'll go deeper than anyone. Cal Newport calls this deep work, the ability to focus intensely on cognitively demanding tasks. Sign 6. Comfort with ambiguity. Most people hate uncertainty, but high IQ individuals, they thrive in it. A fascinating study from the University of Toronto found that tolerance for ambiguity correlates strongly with creative intelligence. They don't need all the answers to start moving forward. Sign 7. Metacognitive awareness. Big word, simple idea. They think about their thinking. The Dunning-Kruger effect shows that less competent people overestimate their abilities, while highly intelligent people often doubt themselves. If you're questioning whether you're smart enough, ironically, that might be a good sign. Sign 8. Embracing solitude. A study published in the British Journal of Psychology found something surprising. Highly intelligent people actually feel happier with less social interaction. Not because they're antisocial, but because they're busy building inner worlds. Bill Gates famously took think weeks, complete isolation, just to read and reflect. Here's what I want you to take away. Intelligence isn't a fixed trophy you either have or don't. It's more like a muscle, shaped by curiosity, stretched by challenges, and strengthened by the courage to think differently. Which of these signs resonated with you? Drop a comment below. I read every single one. And if you want more brain-expanding content, subscribe to NeuroBites. I'll see you in the next one.